Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are standing in our wood shop, or our future wood shop if you will. That is an update for another day, but today we're making a new raised garden bed. And this garden bed is going to be used for our tomatoes. We'll be incorporating a trellis on it as well. And then also we'll be supplying you with a material list and kind of a cost rundown for this project for those of you who are interested in making one of these raised garden beds for your gardens at home. So let's get started. Okay, so to build the bed, you are going to need 6 2x6s 10 foot long and 2 2x4s 8 foot long. You also need a box of 3-inch deck screws. You'll need a roll of hardware cloth, which comes in 3-foot rolls. The smallest one we could find was 25 feet. And you will need a roll of landscape fabric, which usually comes in 3-foot as well, and on a 50-foot roll. To build the cap for the bed, which is an option, you will need 2 2x6s 12 foot long. For the plastic sheeting, you can usually find it in a 10 by 25 foot roll that will go on the inside of the garden bed. You will need to staple it to the inside using stainless steel staples. And of course, you'll need your basic tools: saw, drill, measuring tape, level, and a screwdriver. For those of you interested in building the trellis for this garden bed, be sure to stay tuned for our next video. Alright, so the first thing we had to do was to cut our wood to the right size. For the frame, we used 6 pieces of 2x6 at 10 feet, cut to 7 feet for the longer sides and 3 feet for the shorter sides. And for those of you who are interested, we have included a link to our website in the description below that has the plans to make this garden bed available to download for free. Next, we assembled our 4 panels, 2 ends and 2 sides. We used the 2x4s to connect the 2x6s together, and then we attached all 4 panels together using our 3-inch deck screws, creating a nice sturdy rectangular structure. For added stability, we also screwed in 2x4 pieces at each corner. We like to line the bottom of the bed with landscape fabric or weed fabric. This helps prevent weeds from growing up through the soil. A piece of advice when it comes to building your raised garden bed is to make sure to take into account the measurement of the hardware cloth. We found the hardware cloth was really hard to work with, and so I recommend basing the measurement of your raised garden bed by the width of the hardware cloth, and that way you won't have to cut the hardware cloth more than necessary. We added the seating cap, which we used 2x6 pieces cut to fit around the top edge of the frame. This not only adds a finished look, but it also provides a comfortable place to sit while we garden. I didn't get this part on camera, but we did attach our plastic sheeting to the inside of the bed. This is going to help keep the moisture in the soil and prevent the dirt from falling between the cracks and staining the sides. We attached some 1x4s to hide the plastic and keep it out of the UV rays, which will keep it from getting too brittle. In Zone 9B, being in the dry desert, you can expect this garden bed to last about 10 years or so. The cost to build this bed was $245.44. I will include the cost breakdown in the description below. All right, guys, well, that does it for today's video. I hope you are enjoying this content, and please be sure to check back because we're going to be posting a part 2 to this project where we feature the trellis and do the final cost rundown. So check back in, and as always, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.